Okay, so we have a part of our eye called the iris. The iris is where the pigment of the eye is, so my eyes are brown. In the middle of the iris is the pupil. The pupil will constrict in highlight situations and will dilate in low light situations. There are two types of muscles that allow the pupil to constrict and to dilate. They are both smooth muscle types. The one that allows the eye to dilate is radically arranged smooth muscles, and they are round in a circle like a spoke of a wheel, and they allow the pupil to dilate. Then there are circulatory muscles that allow the eye to constrict when it is in a highlight situation. There is another part of the eye that is in the vascular area of the eye, and it is called the tapetum lucidum. Humans and pigs do not have a tapetum lucidum, but dogs do. So what happens is light goes through the pupil and the iris, then passes through the retina, going through the photoreceptors, which are the rods and the cones, and then it goes off the tapetum lucidum like a mirror, bounces back, activates for the second time the photoreceptors at the cones and the rods, and then bounces out, going through the iris and the pupil again. This is what makes dogs' eyes look like they're glowing when a light hits them in the dark. So dogs have a lot more rods in their eyes than we do, but a lot less cones in their eyes than we do, as cones are what allows us to be able to see color more clearly. Animals are often called colorblind. They're not truly colorblind, they're just able to see very little color. Another thing that I need to mention here is when the pupil is constricting and dilating, this involves the autonomic nerve system, but that is basically how the pupils are dilated and constricted, and how the eyes are able to receive light.